Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is dyno day for both of the Evos. We've made it this far. We made it all the way down to Portland, Oregon last night. English Racing is like 20 minutes from here. I believe they're up in Camas, Washington, so just across the river. Right now I'm gonna head to Starbucks. Bobby's still getting ready. I have to go upload yesterday's video, so let's get a cool start for the boys. Hit Starbucks, grab a coffee, and we're gonna head straight to English and get this day started. We made it down to English. The first car that is going to go on the dyno is the Evo 10. All the dyno waivers are signed.
I'm so excited. Do I get to drive this car back?
Spit out your numbers. What's the 10 going to make?
What is it supposed to make?
If it don't make 1,000, I'm pissed.
Is it supposed to make 700?
I'd be happy with 7.
I'm going to say like around 7.
700 wheel?
Yeah.
I'm going to go 680 wheel.
No, way faster than that. This thing's a beast.
And then torque. What's it going to make for torque?
I don't really know.
I think it's going to be pretty low. I'm going to say like 420 foot-pounds. 420 foot-pounds of torque.
Know what I think it's going to make for torque? For torquing, I think it's going to only make 200.
200 foot-pounds?
Because it's really slow.
This car is probably going to make more torque than this car. We may have to pull this bumper off to get him, both bumpers off to get him on the dyno, but we'll see when we get back there. You ready? Mm-hmm. Let's do this thing. This may be the last time she ever starts up.
Say goodbye to her for the last time.
I wouldn't mind all these cars. Bunch of cool cars, huh? Bobby.
Yeah? The wheels?
Yeah.
No.
You don't like these wheels?
I mean, maybe. I just like more spokes.
I feel it.
I just want to look at rows.
It is literally identical to your old car.
Yeah, it has the mud flappies and everything.
So they recommended to throw a turbo blanket on. So that's what we're gonna do before we get on the dyno, just so this car doesn't melt down. Pretty much I'll finish up with the pre-dyno. All they did was compression test, leak down test, obviously check over all my work that I did, and put the turbo blanket on. We're gonna get it on the dyno, turn it up. A few people here are saying it may make north of 700, which would be pretty cool. If it makes 680, I'm happy. If it makes 730, I'll buy you a glass of wine.
Can you buy me Chick-fil-A?
Sure. Let's go time, baby.
You like claustrophobic in there.
as they have the 10 on the dyno and they're turning it up, they're gonna start with the Evo 8 pre-dyno inspection, get that thing all figured out. I'm really curious to see what that car makes for compression numbers, because it's a brand new motor, about 500-600 miles on it. I haven't done any compression checks on the car at all, so let's hope it's good.
Hello, baby.
How's she doing? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's a more conservative tune than it was.
So we had a small, or a little bigger than expected oil leak on the Evo 8. It was on the oil filter housing. There was just a fitting on there that was loose. So they got that tightened up. Evo 10 is going on E85. This makes me nervous.
I know, I can tell.
I'm excited for it though.
Give it time. It's coming.
587. You're right. High fives. $635. We're getting there.
It's gonna touch 7.
So the car's having a little bit of a misfire. We're going to throw your plugs in real quick, but that should take care of the issue. The last one made 635 and 455.
But you can see where the porcelain's all coated and gray and ashy, so it's just
Time for a new set.
time for a new set.
All right, guys, we got the new plugs in. It's time for some power.
This is giving me such bad anxiety. I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know.
That was clean. 651. Getting there. That's it. This is the one. I can hear it. Ah, damn, only 660. It sounded like a little more. So it just made 686. I want 700, so they're gonna try to push it to 700.
Look at Devin blush.
It's on 35 PSI, 34 PSI, so if you go to like 36, 37 PSI, she should make the 7. The sauce.
The sauce.
Do you want the sauce?
Yeah?
Here we go.
Well,
703. I'm happy with 703. It sounds good and it smells good. Damn.
where's your ADA?
Close, $148-ish. So we are completely done tuning the Evo 10. She made 703 horsepower. Wait, let me grab the dyno sheet. 703 horse, 495 foot-pounds of torque on a dyno jet. And how much PSI was that? On 35 PSI, E85 of course. I think the final number on pump gas was like 530, 535-ish. Yeah, 526 pump gas, 382 foot-pounds of torque on pump gas, so 92 octane. Very, very happy. I came here expecting 680. Bobby said 700, so Bobby was only 3 horsepower off. I said 420 foot-pounds of torque. Bobby said 200 foot-pounds of torque. She's a bit off on that as well. I know, babe. They're not, unfortunately, tuning the Evo 8 right now, which is all good. So I'm actually gonna end out the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm pretty hyped. 700 horse makes me very happy. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next episode, which will be the Evo 8 tune. If that car doesn't make 550, I'm pissed.